we've been doing stuff on the RV. We've been, up until just recently, we were at church a lot. And today, we're gonna go check out some jelly beans. Let's go down that road. Hello, faithful people. I'm Orlean.
I'm Gary, and we are going down the bumpy roads of faith.
Yeah, that's, Highway 12 has got to be one of the worst. Man, it's really a bumpy road. Needs a lot of work. Anyway, yes, we found out about a jelly bean factory. In fact, it's the Jelly Belly Jelly Bean Factory. So that's where we're going before we go to church tonight. We thought we'd take advantage of that. That sounded like a fun thing to do. So let's check it out. Yep.
Want to catch the sewer? Yeah? You want the whole experience, huh?
You betcha.
Right over here, bro. Have a good time.
Jelly beans everywhere.
Got it, you got it.
Yep, I know. On the way. Oh, there's fudge. Look at all the fudge down there. Oh my gosh. Chocolate shop. Now that I'm interested in. You look so official. You look like you're an inspector.
Home company operated by the fourth, fifth, and sixth generation.
Hi, I'm Bill Kelly. My cousin Merle and I are fourth generation candy makers.
I'm Herb Roland. My cousin and I share the same great grandfather, Gustav Gold.
Hi, my name is Herb Roland Jr.
Hi, I'm Ryan Roller.
My name is Krista Rowland. I'm Lisa Rowland Bridger.
I'm Trevor Parkinson.
I'm Kayla Parkinson. I'm Becky Jopper.
I'm Andy Knopper.
I'm Justin Jopper. I'm Chris Moore.
But it all started with Gustav Golitz. My great-great-grandfather, Gustav Golitz, came to America from Germany, and in 1869, he began his own candy-making operation. He settled in Belleville, Illinois, and he was joined by his brother, Albert, who sold the candies from a horse-drawn cart. Gustav's sons then entered the business, and in 1898, they formed their own candy company. One of Gustav's sons was my great-grandfather, Herman Golitz, and he struck out west and opened his own candy company in Oakland, California. In 1959, my father, Tom Rowland, joined the business. They made mostly mellow creams at that time, like candy corn, mellow cream pumpkins. In the 1960s, they decided that they needed to diversify our product. Enjoy your sweet toy.
The monkey, the goat, the horse.
Oh, that's a colorful one. All made out of jelly beans. You know what it is?
Chocolate pudding.
Well, that's because you looked already. Yay! Upside down cake named after it. Oh, it's got to be pineapple. Something with pineapple, right?
Gotta be.
Ooh. Crushed pineapple.
The more detail in the image, the more applicable it is. Depending on the technique of the artist, the finer work of Jelly Belly art can use, on average, 15,000 Jelly Belly jelly beans. And if you look even closer, Mr. Jelly Belly, among all that beautiful things, we have a private collection of Jelly Belly art pieces that you will see on your tour today. We also have
Licorice.
our Jelly Belly art pieces.
Woo!
There's no limit to the imagination, and that's what I love about Jelly Belly art. Using a material like a jelly bean to create something so epic.
Jelly Belly jelly beans.
Nine 4761st Street, the home of Herman Golett's Candy Company. Herman Golett's opened that plant in 1922. My dad, Ernie Rowland, went to work for his father-in-law, probably in Fairfield.
Is it ready for more syrup? Everything has to be done just right. Take the big shape.
3, 2, 1. Oh, they're going already. Oh, that was it? Well, I got...
Okay, it's recorded, I think.
So what'd you think?
There's a lot of candy.
Yeah,
A
it
lot
was.
of jelly beans.
For sure. And we got one freebie one at the end. You got your choice of this one was conversation beans. They evidently have things put on them. I don't know, I didn't open it yet. Yes, they do. They have printing on them. Hugs, LOL, kiss, love you, forever. Yeah. So we got that as a little freebie. And we got to keep our hats, our jelly bean hats. But the rest of it we opted out of because, as you know, we were on a budget. And jelly beans aren't something that we're really big on, but we knew it would be kind of a fun thing to go to.
They're very colorful and
Yes.
they smell good.
Yeah, the factory smelled very good.
Just don't put them in your mouth.
It's located in the Solano Business Park in Fairfield, California, and it is a free tour, but they will get you with some other things that, of course, they need to just to support the business and everything. That's fine. They you can have your picture taken, and then at the end you can buy the picture, and then they also have fudge, and they have chocolate and wine tasting, and they have a cafe and a gift shop, and anything I missed? I mean, there's just lots of stuff in there. It was a very busy, very colorful place. So that was fun. Recommend it. I think all the kids seem to really enjoy it that were on the tour. So kids in all sizes and shapes and ages. There's one more place we'd like to go that we just found out about just a couple of days ago, and we hope it stops raining so we can go there. It's only 20 minutes from where we've been all this time that we didn't know about it. It's got a lighthouse, and it's the Suisun City Waterfront District. So that looked like a neat thing. It's got a lighthouse, and it's got all kinds of restaurants and shops and things, and so we're gonna hopefully be able to do that yet before we leave too. That's on our list. So not a lot of fun things while we've been here, but it's okay. We're gonna have a lot more fun things to do on our way traveling again, and we're looking forward to that. I'll be showing more things on our Facebook page, some things that I didn't film, and there was quite a few things I didn't film just because I didn't want to give you the full tour. You gotta have something to look forward to. So anyway, there is also another one in Illinois. There's another one that you can go do the same thing. You can tour the Jelly Belly factory. So if that's a little closer to you, you can do that too. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Help us grow our channel. We really appreciate that. And it doesn't cost you anything. Subscribe, hit the little bell next to it. You'll be notified every time we have a new video up. And be ready, because we're going to be having a lot more cool things that we're going to be seeing as we leave this area, and a few more things before we leave this area. Have a sweet day. God bless.